The road from Stuttgart to the lake feels like a slow exhale. Fields opening wide, hills softening, and the air growing lighter with every kilometer. And then, suddenly, the landscape reveals a shimmer of blue. A lake so calm, so vast, it feels less like water and more like a horizon inviting you to breathe deeper. This is Überlingen, the town shaped by the lake, by centuries of trade, faith, craftsmanship, and the gentle rhythm of life by the water. As you step onto the lakeside promenade, the world seems to slow down. The breeze carries the scent of flowers and wood, the sound of waves brushing against the stones, and the distant laughter of people who know how to enjoy the simple beauty of a sunny day. Here, the lake is not just a view, it's a companion. Locals walk with ice cream in hand, cyclists glide past, and visitors pause to take in the mountains that rise like silent guardians on the horizon. Überlingen has a character that sets it apart from other towns around the Bodensee. It feels warmer, more Mediterranean. With its long promenade lined with cafes, its gardens filled with palms and roses, and its old town rising gently behind the waterfront. While other lakeside villages feel quiet and reserved, Überlingen feels alive, a place where history and holiday energy blend naturally. Walking toward the center, the streets narrow into charming alleys paved with centuries of footsteps. The town grew strong in the Middle Ages, protected by walls that still stand today. These stones have witnessed merchants arriving by boat, craftsmen shaping the identity of the region, and generations of families building their lives around the lake. Even now, you can feel that heritage in the architecture, in the details carved into doorways, in the towers that rise above the rooftops. Überlingen is known for its mild climate, one of the warmest in Germany, which is why vineyards thrive on the surrounding slopes and why the town is famous for its gardens. The locals take pride in their Langenactor Museum, their open-air concerts, and the relaxed culture of lakeside living. Here, people don't rush, they stroll, they talk, they enjoy the moment. For visitors, the town offers more than just beauty. You can swim in crystal-clear water, take a boat across the lake, explore the historic alleys, or simply sit by the shore and watch the sunlight dance on the waves. And if you listen closely, you'll hear stories of medieval guilds, of noble families, of the healing traditions that made Überlingen a spa destination for centuries. As you reach the back of the old walls, the atmosphere changes. The lake's brightness fades into the quiet charm of stone passages and hidden courtyards. It's a reminder that this town is not only a place to relax, but a place with a soul, shaped by time, protected by its people, and loved by those who discover it. If you're planning to live in Stuttgart, whether for study or work, or if you're simply interested in learning more about this region of southern Germany, don't forget to visit our blog, travelstuttgart.com, for much more information on the different destinations and magical places you can discover. I also invite you to subscribe to this channel, where you'll find all kinds of travel tips, destinations, and information about the culture of this fantastic city. Thank you so much for visiting, and we'll see you very soon with a new video.